Welcome back to the channel, guys. So, there's one of my old deep cycle marine batteries. You see the date of it. I actually marked it 5/15/13 was when I bought them. And, going to see if I could bring them back. Before I put it on the charger, literally just put them on. Look at the voltage there. Well below 12 volts. So, that's just my charge rate for my amps. But anyways, just going to have them charged up. Have it set to, what does that say? About 4 amps, right around 12 volts. So we're gonna leave them on there for a while and see how they do. I'm sure they'll do pretty good. I do have that my other one down there that we're going to charge up and see how that goes. But yeah, we're gonna see if these things got any life in them and see how we could do to possibly bring them back. So should be a fun little project. I'll keep y'all updated on it. Thank you guys for watching.